Hello! Today I want to talk to you about our newest pattern, the Coda Quilted Coat. Coda is another musical term. As you know, all of our woven patterns are named after musical terms. That's how you know it's a woven pattern. And this pattern has 3 different neckline options. We have a regular traditional collar. We have a hood, which is really fun. We also have just a regular, nothing, like a bare neckline. All of the neckline and hems are finished with bias tape. Makes a real quick, easy finish. And they all have button closures if you want, or you can leave off the closures if you don't plan on buttoning it up. They've got pockets here, and you can do a flap or no flap. Like this one doesn't have a flap, and I actually didn't even put pockets on here. I wish I would have, because I really like this one. So fabric, you could use any bottom weight fabric. This, you can even use pre-quilted fabric. I think Joanne Fabrics has some really good options. This is a double-sided pre-quilted fabric, which makes a real quick sew. This version I quilted myself. Just doing a 2-inch grid, and then I lined it with a cotton woven. And then this one is not quilted at all. This is just a denim. This is more like a chore coat, and I lined it with a flannel. So not quilted, and then these are quilted. So lots of variation on how much time you want to put into it. So this pattern, it can be real easy and straightforward if you want to do a pre-quilted fabric. But if you want to do the lined version, there's just a couple of tricky spots of the bias binding going around this tight curve, but it's definitely doable. Just take your time. Otherwise, there's really not a lot of tricky spots to this. Buttonholes, of course, or just leave them off. That's basically it. All right, the origin story of the Coda Quilted Coat. Lately, I've been getting more into quilting myself. I always thought I'm never going to be a quilter. I just don't have the time or patience for that. But as I've been doing sewing for Love Notions, I haven't had a lot of a creative, like purely creative outlet. So I've been picking up quilting. And just how it happens with a business, I think of how can I apply this quilting into my Love Notions garment sewing business. So we kind of came up with a quilted option as well. So you can see it back here. Now, I am not a quilt designer, so I was lucky enough to be able to collaborate with Amber of Alderwood Studios, and she created this piece design for the back and the pockets. So it was really fun to collaborate with another designer of a totally different genre. It gave me a lot of more appreciation for quilt designers too, because I have no idea how they do this. It's pretty mind-blowing to me. If you're not a quilter, you don't have to do the quilted design because this does take a little bit more experience and knowledge. You don't have to do the quilting. You can just do a regular design like I've got on right now. If you are a quilter, there is a separate PDF download that comes with your pattern that has all the instructions you need to do the quilted back as well as the pockets. This pattern is perfect for quilters who want to get into garment sewing, or even garment sewists who want to get into quilting. It kind of works both ways to give you a little dip your toes into the water of each different kind of genre of sewing. The Coda Quilted Coat is on sale starting February 7th, and it's on sale through the 13th. So sizes included are extra small through 5X, and a full bust adjustment pattern piece is included for all sizes. I think that's it. I hope you grab this pattern and sew it up and share it with us. I think you're going to really enjoy sewing it.